review of a pistol. I think it's Airsoft. I'm not really sure. It has lasers on it. That's a light, actually. Laser now. And the reload is actually really good. And the ammo in it has a lot. I'm with my cousin here, Nickolas. Hey. This is the rounds that shoots. It's manual, so it doesn't do automatic. But it is a really nice gun. You guys ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna check its distances. UK Arms, I guess. It is a really cool gun. I admit, right, Nickolas? Nickolas has a cool shotgun in his hand right now. It's not real, but it's a cool shotgun.
Yeah.
We're just gonna do a Nerf fire right now.
I know I have a whole bunch of guns on it.
And by the way, this is a long-range pistol. This pistol shoots so far, guys. You guys don't even believe it. There's the mag for it.
Can I try it? But we only lost one bullet.
Yeah. Keep an eye on the bullet, okay, Nick?
Okay. Oh, he did. She found it.
Oh, she found the bullet?
Yeah.
Nice. Right in the video. Okay. Ouch.
Sorry. This is the bullet.
And it's on my computer.
Now we have a lot of bullets.
Yep. And we can fire them. Oh, do that. Thanks, Nick. Nick is actually really helping me with this gun because I got no idea what I'm doing. I just like the color of it.
I know where your bullet is.
You guys ready? Let's just shoot it. Hope that doesn't break it, Nick.
It doesn't break.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
I need to get like the camera on the gun equal. Guys, keep an eye on the bullets. There. Its aim sight is good too. Ready, guys? Keep an eye on the bullet.
I'll go get it. No, the next one.
It's sealed before that shoots.
Huh. Where is it?
Hit the garage over there. And probably flung off too. Yeah. This.
When it hit the wall, it flew all the way over there. I'll get it.
So this is.
Wait, maybe we just passed it.
This is an awesome gun, guys. This is a really cool gun. Its aim sight is really good, guys. Look at that. The aim sight's perfect on this. Looks actually, for a second, I thought this gun shoot out real BBs, but it doesn't. Luckily, it's just these BBs that just pop out. I'm glad they weren't real, or I'd get scared as hell. But it is a really cool gun, guys. So yeah, this is an awesome gun. Boom! Shoot somebody with it. Just kidding, no, don't really, unless you're allowed to. I'm gonna check your guys' comments because this video is gonna be way too short. Let's see. Hector. Dude, someone hacked me. Someone hacked me today, and I can't make a video. Is that true, dude? Jacob, is that true? Google Plus. Ha 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 ha. Thank you, Hector. Thank you, Hector. Oh my God, everybody's with me right now. Sorry. This gun is really cool.
Oh, I just
Subscribe if you want to see more reviews of more guns. Okay, guys? Or like this video if you want more. And I'm not going to shoot the camera, but like always, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.